guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new video, a new experiment video. The experiment name is Optical Illusion. So we have taken this item, so let's go into the video.
Now I have taken a sketch pen, we have taken a permanent marker, a small piece of paper, a zip locker bag to put this paper, and this bowl. We will put water into this bowl and then do the experiment. So let's see how to do this. Now we will take the sketch and draw a picture on this. We will draw a small picture, maybe it an eye cone or ice cream. We will draw this and we will just give it some color. We will color this off. So after coloring this, now we have done. So now we'll take this paper and put it into this Ziploc bag. We'll place it into the bottom of this Ziploc bag and then we'll seal this up. Now take the permanent marker and draw over this image. Just draw the outline over this image as tracing. Yes. Now we take this bowl and put water. We'll put water in this and we'll insert this image into the water. Now we are pouring the water. Now we have filled this tub with water and now we are going to put this inside. Hope you all can see this. Inserting it, see the design vanishes. So this is the optical illusion. Now in the cone, at the bottom of the cone we had colored and we had given dots on the top of the cone. It's totally invisible now. It's all gone off. See the image. So when you this image, when you put it into the water, only you can see the outline. So this is the experiment. This experiment is a success.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment in the comment box and subscribe to our channel for more video. And thank you for watching the video. Bye.